Highoh Squad, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to talk about plan and work. Alright, my sister is there and she gave me this topic about plan and work, and apparently she was saying that a lot of ladies out there do not know how to plan and work, and they just blindly work in their career and their job. I'm not very sure regarding this because I never happened to ask them. So apparently when she was meeting her friends, she realized that there's a lot of people out there that tend to just work aimlessly, that they do not plan and work according to their goals, which reminds me of a situation in which this happened when I was in university. So what happened was, a lot of my friends in university, they tend to just try to achieve the degree in which they want. So for example, if they want to have the first class honors, they would work really hard and then achieve the goal of getting a first class honor. But at the point of time when I was in uni, that was like 2021. Yeah, I think it was 2021. Yeah. So what happened was, at that point of time, I was thinking, why are they working so hard? Like, so what if you have first class honors, in your degree? And apparently, there's this mindset in university in which the better grades you get, your life will be much easier. However, at that point of time, I was so busy in networking and I was so busy in trying to get real life experiences out there. I was working in different jobs, janitor, waitress. I was also working in as a tuition teacher as well. And I couldn't get it because I've heard stories in which if you have first class honors, you will be getting lower pay than those people who does not have even a university certificate. So when I was in lecture, I was very confused. Like, literally these students didn't have any sleep, didn't have any proper rest, and they were tired. So first thing, I felt that it is very important to know what are your goals first. You really need to know your long-term goals instead of your short-term goals. So at that point of time, I was looking into long-term goals rather than short-term goals. Just like my friends, my friends in universities are just looking at the grades at the point of time, but I was looking into how to earn even more money at that point of time and doing what I like to earn money. So you really need to plan out what you want in your life. So planning is the first thing, and a lot of people tend to not plan. They just engage and then they just dive straight to it. And a lot of people says that sometimes you just need to just do it. When I mean planning means you are doing it, because when you're planning, you're actually doing calculated risk instead of just uncalculated risk. Uncalculated risk is very dangerous. You need to know that. So uncalculated risks are very dangerous because you don't know what you're looking for. You don't know what is coming up in your life. So always remember to plan and know the different perspective. Always sit down in a cafe, drink a cup of coffee or tea, and really think through the process. It doesn't matter if at that point of time you realize that you don't have the confidence to take the action. What is important is that you need to have faith in God, and when you have calculated the risk and you feel that it is a good to go, then you start to work. Don't always dive into your goals straight away and without planning. It is a suicide project in that case. So after planning, always start immediately work. Work can be inclusive of planning wise. It can be taking small baby steps. When my sister and I started with Highoh, we actually took the baby steps in which we sew our own sanitary pads. My sister liked hand sewn, but I prefer machine based. So we had different forms of sanitary pads at that point of time. We didn't calculate the cost of creating a pad yet, but what we are concerned of is the menstrual cramps, because we had major menstrual cramps when we were using disposable sanitary pads. So, when you plan, you know the calculated risk, and then, sometimes your plan may not be perfect. You just dive in straight to work first. Every step of the way, always ask for God guidance and pray that it will always work. To be honest, in my opinion, God will always guide you if it's according to God's will. So always remember that know what you're doing, and take small baby steps. It's always important. Never be distracted by all the successes you see, Lamborghini, Ferraris, airplanes, Rolex watches, AP watches out there. Never ever be distracted by that, because it is always the marketing gurus out there that always does all these videos to entice you. Everyone has different pace in success, and I feel that this is really important. A lot of people out there tend to think, oh, by the age of 30, if you are not a millionaire, means you are a failure. If you are age 28, you are not married, means you are a failure. No, it is not that. Everyone has different pace of success. God has a certain pace for you, and do not be distracted by all this. These are all distractions. Always be focused on your goal, and God will definitely guide you. So that's all for today. I hope you really enjoy this video, and my sister just gave me this topic. I can't believe this, but this is what I can come up with this short time, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you again. See ya, bye.